Oh yeah. Aww. You have more?
Oh,
So cute.
I think this one's like that.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me.
So we're here in Pigeon Forge. And it's very rainy here. So this is our room. So here you go. So this is king bed. So I'll show you around. So they have a table here. Of course the TV without the remote. So we're waiting for them to give us the remote. There's a couch. And they have a little kitchen here. They have a coffee maker. Microwave. I don't know what's in. It's nothing there. Of course their sink outside. And here's their bathroom. I like the bathtub. It's like so deep. So this is the closet. They have more extra pillow. So we're here in Econo Lodge here in Riverside, Pigeon Forge. So here what to do, so you can get some coupon here for a discount. So this is my second time here. Hi guys, so this is my second time here in Pigeon Forge. So we're staying here. So tomorrow we're going to Gatlinburg. I give you the remote?
Huh?
I give you the remote?
No.
Explore this big hotel. So this is their indoor pool there. Wow, this is so big, guys. Wow. Really huge. Where's the river? Oh my god, look at the river. Uh, Restaurant?
Gazebo.
Oh. Cool here, no? There you go. That's a river.
Yeah. I think it's a little higher now.
Yeah, but you can cross that one, right?
Yeah, you walk. You walk. I mean, right now it's high. My goodness, you
Hi! See? They're not scared of people. Really. That's our hotel there, guys. Oh my god, come on!
He knows
Come on!
what I'm doing. Look at him. They know what I'm doing. Look at him.
Oh my god, come on! Where are you going? Come here! Oh my god, we need a food! I don't know! Oh my god, there's a food! Huh? You hungry? Huh? You hungry? There's a food. Hi. You hungry? Huh?
Something like this.
Over here. Oh. Hi, come, come.
You're getting a lot.
Give me, baby.
He pulled the feathers out.
Oh my God. Come here. Oh my God, they're so cute. I'm not scared.
He's that one's injured, so
Yeah.
we're giving him a lot.
Aw.
But he's probably faking it.
It's fake only.
How about you? Are you eating enough?
Oh yeah. Aww. You have more? So cute.
I think this one's like that.
Hey, hey, what are you fighting for, huh? I think they're full. There's the mother and the baby. Give the mom. You have a baby. Look at the baby. So cute. There's more. I got two. Oh, wow! The kid also going to eat now. Look at it. Oh.